About to go get this done right now. The wrap for my trunk trim. Damn, bro, I woke up with a sore throat. Saturday, I was originally gonna do this last Saturday. The place I took it to though, they kept, bro, it was just a bad experience. Like, I don't know, I could have sworn, like, cause his name is called Stick and Wrap, so I'm like, all right, this dude do raps, or like he works with stuff like that, you know, like, you know, chrome delete trims, wrapping, stickers, stuff like that. And then like when I get there, bro's like, all right, you got a video I could watch to like get a reference? I'm like, bro, what? Bro, you rap, you should know how to do this. I mean, it's kind of common sense. You see what it's for. I mean, but I mean, he wasn't like a dickhead about it. He said, you know, it's cool, like, you don't gotta pay me nothing. I just take it off and, you know, you can just go. I was all right, bet. He was a cool dude though. He wasn't mean about it. I think he just, like, I guess you could say, like, because he does stickers. So in my head, I'm thinking like, oh, I could get why he has the name Stick in it, you know, like stickers, stick and wrap, but maybe I feel like the wrap could throw people off. But yeah, no, I was supposed to do that last Saturday, couldn't do it, so I'm doing it now. This Saturday, I had to wait a whole week. I was like itching. I would do it myself, but honestly, it's like vinyl sticker. If you mess up once, I feel like you're just gonna keep messing up. I feel like I'd rather just take it to a place and so we can do it. So we're going to Tent World in Lawrenceville. We're going to Tent World to get it done. Hopefully they can get me right. They seem like a reputable, you know, when you walk into the building, you just feel like, yeah, they're gonna take care of my car. You feel me? Man, but it's pollen getting me sick. It's like hella pollen. You can see it on the windows. I'm trying to wash the car today. My car's like hella dirty. Oh man, I'm gonna like and subscribe though. We hit 100 subscribers. I'm so happy. Like, saying those triple digits, like I said, like, it's like nothing crazy, but to me, you know, it's an accomplishment. You know, we gotta celebrate the big ones and the small ones. You know, that's what makes life, you know, just, you feel me? I don't know how to put it into words, but you know, just, you gotta appreciate the big things and the little things. I gotta go straight. Should I pass all these people? Let me see. Pass all these people. It's called a town hall. I think that's a town hall right there. Be careful. Like, we're like in downtown Lawrenceville, so the police. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Could have really messed my bumper up. My lip. Man, I need to get a juice or something for my throat. Me. That should help. But I woke up now. I mean, it's kind of late. Bro, I wake up early for work every day, so like, cause I guess you could say Saturday is kind of like my, you know, kind of like lay-in day. I'm not gonna lie, when I was in school, or like when I was younger, I used to like stay until like maybe, I'm not gonna even lie, I don't know, it's kind of weird. Like, I used to sleep until like maybe 12, but like I'd stay up all night playing video games. Damn, hold on, no, we're going the wrong way. I'm supposed to be over there. I'm going to like I'm going to like Swanee. I need to go that way. No way, that's my cousin. Hold on. That's my cousin right there. Bro, I'm on the phone with my girl, alright? Don't be, like I said last time, don't lie. You know your girl with the parents in the relationship. You can't get on me about it. Don't get on me. Oh, damn, you can't even go that way. Damn, bro, where am I going? I thought I know how to get there by memory. That sucks. If I can't find it, I'm gonna probably just cut the video and get back to y'all when we are there or after it's done. I really should get it before. Let me park up so y'all can get like a before. So y'all can get like a before and after, like, you know, you feel me? Like before and after and before and after. What's a good spot? What's a good spot? I'm gonna go over there. That is like a good spot. Or over there. It's an auction. Oh, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where I'm at. You know, let's park right here. This is like a cool little GTA spot. But it's like a, if y'all play Need for Speed, it's like a Need for Speed spot, like getaway house. It's kind of hard, bro. It'd be hard for like a garage, you know, like as a property garage. It'd be a 5 property garage. I'm not gonna lie. Anywho, that's what the back looks like. It should make a difference. Damn, why did it sound like that? Still a little chilly. Oh, but that's how she looks right now. This is what this is for. It's put on the back. It's gonna be hard. But now that y'all see how it looks like that, I'm gonna cut the video right here, and then I'll probably record after it's done so y'all can see what it looks like after. But yeah. Ow, 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 ow. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Is Bill gonna put his turn signal? Well, we got that done. Bro, it looks so good. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Amarillo, amarillo, amarillo. Then that car's smoking. Bro has coolant going into his block. But yeah, no, we got the wrap done. Man, it looks so good. I think I like it. I think it's good. I don't like wrapping, like, I want to do it now, but on my old vehicle, I had my tail lights tinted, and I always thought like having, you know, like when your vehicle has like white pieces on it and then it has like the red. I'll explain to y'all when I show y'all mine, like, but I don't like just wrapping it all black. I feel like it just looks so tacky, so I kind of like wrapped it black but left the chrome pieces. I'll show y'all. It looks good though. I like it a lot. Hopefully this will, like, you know, if this is something y'all can want to do. They are local in Lawrenceville. Damn, where did I come from? I came from all down there. Yeah, but they are local in Lawrenceville. So if y'all really want to get, like, you know, good quality work done, definitely hit them up. Tint World on Lawrenceville. But yeah, no, they're really nice people. All of them, they are nice. It's about that time to eat. I'm hungry. See where I pull over so I can show y'all. Beautiful day out, man. I like days like this. and it's sunny, but it's not hot. It's like it's chilly. 65, yeah, it's not crazy, but it's like windy, you feel me? Windows up. I think the place, I'm probably just gonna go to the place I came to earlier. It's not too far, it's up here. I've been having problems uploading. I've been recording videos to upload daily, but I'm running it. I did this problem on my, I had a, damn, I'm having like a hiccup on my words. When on my settings for my GoPro, like the quality, I put it on 120 frames rather than like 60 frames. And the 120 frames, it like drags the video out. So like an 8-minute video, it comes out to be, or like it turns out to be like a 3-hour video. You see what I mean? And then like you can't upload a 3-hour video because it's also in slow motion. We're back. We're back here. But yeah, no, I've been meaning to upload daily, but those videos, since they like, I guess YouTube reads them as really long videos, it like drags it out to like download. I don't know, but I got it fixed. So hopefully from now on, I promise, or I don't want to promise, but I take my word, it will be a lot more consistent than it was. Look at this. We need to turn the camera off. Yeah, that's how it looks after. I think it came out good. Yeah, but that's how it is, man. I turned the camera off, you know. I kind of wanted to like look at it for myself, you know, like get real close to it, inspect it. It looks good. It looks good. At the edges, it's kind of like peeling, but the thing is, like, getting that stuff worked on is so tricky. Oh, bro, what is that? Y'all see that old school Porsche? I don't like to hate on people's work, cause I mean, you know, they're professional like in what they do. You know, it's just those corners is really hard to get into, so I don't blame them. But overall, they did a good job. I like it. It was good. Now that's done, y'all can, you know, decide if y'all want to get that done to y'all Q50. It's a really like small thing to do. Overall, to get it all done is probably like $100. The film itself was like, I think like 40 something. To get it installed, it was like 50. So yeah, not bad overall. But you know, that's not the way I want to. Damn, gotta have a brain fart, dude. Should be happening like a long week. But you know, I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't want to make the video too long because I myself do not have a long attention span, and I know people probably you see a 30-minute video, you're not gonna watch it. That's the truth. But I'm gonna end the video here. Like and subscribe. We hit 100, our next goal is 200, and then our next goal will be 300. So our next goal right now is 200, and I feel we can do it. I want to give myself a goal, like hopefully by next year I could be maybe 300, maybe even more. That's 200 subscribers in a year. But I feel like I've seen people do it like a lot more faster, exponentially. So we could definitely probably hit that goal. But yes, like and subscribe, it means a lot to me. And I'll catch you on the next video.